Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over in-person signing using Inhouse Sign. So to get into the Inhouse Sign module, all I need to do is click on Inhouse Sign in our menu. So I immediately get to the Inhouse Sign module and we're in the Documents tab. I'm going to switch over to the Templates tab. We're going to be using the test proposal templates. I'm just going to jump into it really quickly. So this template just has one recipient, one role. If I jump into the settings, you can see that we just have the one role configured. We can add more roles, but for this demo, we're going to keep it very simple. And we have a PDF document, and we just have a couple elements, a text block that shows the recipient's name and our signature elements. So I'm just going to jump back out of here into the Inhouse Sign Documents tab. We're going to go ahead and create a document. I'm just going to call this document test proposal XX124. We're going to use a template, and we are just going to select our template, test proposal. We're going to switch to the development environment because this is just for test purposes. I'm going to switch to recipients. I'm going to just select myself as a recipient. I'm going to go into the security tab. You can configure some really cool security configurations using the in-house firewall, but I'm just going to turn this off. And then I'm going to send my document. All right, so it's creating the app and then it's sending the document. So I'm going to switch over to the development tab to see my document that I just created. As you can see, it was sent. So let's just assume that, I was the signer, or let's just assume that the signer is sitting right next to me and I want him to sign in person. By jumping into the actual documents that was sent, I can see the options to sign in person, cancel documents, resend documents, and you can look at the document settings. At this point, it's read only. All right. So to sign in person, all you need to do is click on sign in person. You're going to see all the recipients that can sign that have not signed yet. So I'm just going to copy that email. To start signing, all you need to do is click on start signing. It's going to take you to a page. You have to provide the email. So when you provide the email, it's going to do an internal validation to see if the email provided is indeed a valid signer. Okay. And if it's a valid signer, then a password will be sent to that person's email. All right, so I'm just waiting on that password. I just got it. I'm just going to drag this to the screen. As you can see, it says here that an access code has been sent to me. I'm just going to copy this access code, drag this back off screen, paste that in there, and then sign in. So now that I've provided the email, I've provided the access code, I can now securely gain access. So the reason for all these security features is to prevent someone from just fictitiously creating a document and then signing it as if they were someone else. So this two-factor authentication is required to get to this stage for in-person signing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and accept the terms. As you can see here, I have one required field, which is indicated by the blue arrow that follows you around. I'm going to just adopt and sign, submit. And just like that, this signing is complete. If I go back over here and close this out, it basically gets the new states. This is my signed document. And you can, let's see, it's still generating the document that is downloadable. If I refresh it, now I get the copy that is actually downloadable. And I can just download this document if I choose to, as you can see here. Okay, so signed. And here's the certificate of completions. All right, that's it for this video. We learned how in-person signing works. See you in the next one.